Hello everyone. Today we have with us the iQOO 9 SE and we are going to talk about the features of this smartphone. So first and foremost, as you can see, this comes in a Sierra blue color. Towards the backside we've got this nice gradient finish and it feels like it's a matte finish. And also let me tell you that we've got the triple camera setup on the backside. We've got a 48 megapixel primary shooter, which is a wide angle camera. It has also got optical image stabilization, and next up we have got the 13 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Also it has got the dual tone LED flashlight over here. And talking about the cameras, on the front side we've got a punch hole camera design. There you go, as you can see. So this is a 16 megapixel f2.0 wide camera which can shoot video up to 1080p on 30 fps. Also talking about the display of the phone that we have over here, this is a 6.62 inch AMOLED display which supports refresh rate of 120 Hz and comes with the Panda glass protection. This phone comes in packed with the Snapdragon 888 5G processor, and the variant that we have right over here is a 128GB 8GB RAM version, and the other variant that we get of this same phone is the 256GB and 12GB RAM variant. Also let's check out the camera modes over here. So we've got the normal photo mode, we've got the portrait mode, then we've got the night photography mode, and towards the video side we get to see all the camera angles that we have. We've got the 1x, we've got the 2x, and we've got 0.6x over here, and then we've got the pro mode as well. Now let me also click a picture and show you how it looks. So there you go. There you go. As you can see, we've got the detailings in the picture right over here. That's pretty much about the cameras of this phone. The 9 SE also packs in a UFS 3.1 storage, which makes this phone ultra fast. Let's also have a small look at the physical overview. So we've got the power button right over here. Then right next to it, we've got the volume rockers. And on the bottom side, we've got the speaker grill, the Type-C charging port, a microphone hole, and also a SIM ejector tray right over here. On the other side, we've got a clean finish, and that's pretty much about the physical overview of this phone. Also, let me tell you that it packs in a 4500 mAh non-removable lithium polymer battery and also comes in with 66 watts of fast charging. That's all, folks. These were a few features of the iQOO 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching the video.